This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the default download destination in the 360 Secure browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the 360 Secure browser opened up now. To change your default download destination, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner, up to where you see the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Settings and click on Settings. Now in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Advanced to expand the Advanced section. Then you'll go down to where it says Downloads and click on Downloads. Now on the center pane at the very top, Location, by default your download destination is probably set to Downloads, but you can change that by clicking on Change. Little dialog box opens up here. You can select a different download destination. Say that I wanted mine to be my desktop. I'm going to click on Desktop. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and click on Select Folder. Now as you can see, my default download destination has changed to my desktop. Down below that, ask where to save each file before downloading. If you toggle this on, that little dialog box will pop up every time you go to download something, and you can choose a destination for that particular download. But if you toggle it off, it will automatically download to whatever destination you have set right here. That is how to change your default download destination in the 360 Secure browser. Thanks for watching.